Good morning. We are going snowshoeing today. The sun is like kind of up, kind of not, but that's okay. It was way sunnier yesterday, but that's okay. We're still gonna have a good time. We're gonna go on an 8-kilometer loop trail on the snowshoes. We're gonna have breakfast and then we are gonna get going, try to get this day or get the hike done early. And yeah, we'll see you soon.
That's where we start.
Coffee. What the hell is that?
Good?
That's a good beer. Oh my.
It literally just peels right off.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Manny. Yeah, there's little ones. Oh my goodness.
Wow, that's nice.
Doesn't she just come and take a sleep by us? Oh.
The cat is just curled right up next to Mike.
My body heat.
It's the
And
body.
my scent.
He likes getting under his arm for some reason.
It's nice, cozy. You probably feel safe.
Okay, so we're back from snowshoeing. We're just having a bit of a midday nap. We're chilling with the cat. He really likes to be near Mike for some reason. We don't really know why. We did an 8-kilometer hike on this with the snowshoes. It was tough going uphill for sure. My lower back was hurting by the end of it because it's just like an unnatural thing to be doing, and like the snowshoes come up on the back of your foot and then it's like you're pressing down on them and it's a lot of like hard stomping.
There's a lot of up and down.
Yeah, and a lot of up and down. So
yeah.
We had a tea. Now we're gonna relax. And then
we're
gonna have a little dinner tonight.
And
then tomorrow we're going skiing. So
what is it, Bella? Tell her what about our good meal?
oh man, yeah, well you guys would have seen the video. You would have seen the clips of the food because it was so good. What was the place called? The Chelsea pub. Oh. But we're having a nap now, so we'll see you later. Yeah.
Remember, Keely, you only have enough room for one.
Wow, that's okay. Oh, it smells so good.